Risk appetite is firmly back on today, with buyers emerging across multiple asset classes. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your complete global indices roundup for June 14th. The bulls are firmly in the driving seat today across most major markets. Let us go region by region across the major global indices. Starting with the Americas session. S&P 500 edged higher plus 0.50% to $7,431.46. Investor sentiment is being shaped by markets whipsaw as RE sell-off resumes, CNN. NASDAQ 100 is trading higher by plus 0.64% at $29,636. Equity markets are responding to reports that got $1,500. 3 no-brainer artificial intelligence, RE, semiconductor stocks to buy before they saw once again the motley fool. Dow Jones is trading higher by plus 0.70% at $51,202. Equity markets are responding to reports that inflation topped 4% in May as CPI surged to its highest level in more than 3 years, CBS News. Starting with the Europe session. DAX climbed plus 1.76% to $24,635. Traders are reacting to news that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. FTSE 100 climbed plus 1.63% to $10,472. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500, NASDAQ, Dow log gains with Fed meeting ahead, tech stock squared. CAC 40 climbed plus 1.83% to $8,350.87. Traders are reacting to news that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. Starting with the Asia session. Nikkei 225 is up plus 2.81%, trading at $66,020. Currency markets are reacting to Europe sells weapons, which are used to attack India, says M. J. Shankar, calls out US's double standards on Russian oil purchase, Deccan Herald. Hang Seng is up plus 1.93%, trading at $24,718. Traders are reacting to news that why is the BHP share price so volatile this week? Discovery alert. Kospi made a dramatic move today, surged plus 4.63% to $8,123.62. Equity markets are responding to reports that got $1,500. 3 no-brainer artificial intelligence, RE, semiconductor stocks to buy before they saw once again the motley fool. Nifty 50 is up plus 1.99%, trading at $23,623. Investor sentiment is being shaped by markets whipsaw as RE sell-off resumes, CNN. Sensex climbed plus 2.30% to $75,528. Investor sentiment is being shaped by markets whipsaw as RE sell-off resumes, CNN. ASX 200 climbed plus 1.98% to $8,804. Traders are reacting to news that why is the BHP share price so volatile this week? Discovery alert. Now let us look at what is driving these moves at the macro level. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. Traders are reacting to news that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500, NASDAQ, Dow log gains with Fed meeting ahead, tech stock squared. Rate expectations remain the single most powerful macro driver for equities and currencies right now. Rate expectations remain a key driver for growth and technology stocks, which are highly sensitive to discount rate assumptions. Equity markets are responding to reports that inflation topped 4% in May as CPI surged to its highest level in more than 3 years, CBS News. And looking at how some of the biggest names are trading today. Rocket Lab plunged minus 10.79% to $102.39 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that Rocket Lab deepens space defense role as investors weigh SpaceX IPO alternative, SimplyWorld St. Samsung surged plus 7.86% to $322,500 in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as RE boom fuels memory chip crunch. HSBC made a dramatic move today, surged plus 3.86% to $1,372.80. Investor sentiment is being shaped by assessing HSBC, LSE, SPAR, valuation after recent share price pullback and Asia growth focus, Simplewald St. Let us give you our near-term view on the KOSPI. With momentum this strong, traders will be watching the $8,611.04 level closely. A clean break there would confirm the uptrend and could bring in additional momentum buyers. Risk management remains critical, always size positions according to your own risk tolerance. To summarize, 12 indices in the green, 0 in the red today. Risk-on conditions dominate the global equity landscape. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. A quick like takes 1 second and helps this channel grow. We genuinely appreciate it. Subscribe for daily coverage across every major market. Tell us in the comments what you are watching most closely right now. That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe, and we will see you in the next one. That is your global indices roundup from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily updates across every major market.